Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session where we were trying to learn about the religion and society in early period. We have seen the Chenchu's beliefs and religious practices in the earlier class, where they believe that the Mallaya of Sri Shailam and Narsimha of Ahobilam are considered as their son-in-laws, and they believe they got married to their Chenchu girls. For that reason, they prayed. So Mallaya is nothing but the Sri Shailam Mallikarjuna, and Narsimha is nothing but the Lord Narsimha Swami in Ahobilam, which are the famous temples located in the country. Today we learn about the early farmers and herders. Herders means the shepherds family community which is present in the country. How they believed in the practice of religion, okay, their faith we shall see today. The knowledge which we have arrived at or which is presented in the text was because of the archaeological excavations which were conducted at different sites. You know what is the archaeological excavation? Okay, खोदते नहीं, खोदते रहते, okay, उसमें से जो भी निकाला है उसको पढ़ने से ये knowledge मिले थे. This subject we have got, and the practices, and we have arrived at certain conclusions by studying those goods which were found in the excavation. So they have probably worshipped the mother goddesses or mother earth. So we have arrived at a conclusion that they prayed to the mother goddesses. They probably believed that the crops and cattle would prosper with her blessings only. Mother God is giving us the agriculture, whatever we are getting, and the cattle will be protected by her only. They believed it, and they started praying to the earth, okay, Bhumi. So धरती को प्रे करना शुरू करें, एंड मदर गॉडेसेस वर वर्शिप्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्मॉल इमेजेस. सो ये मदर गॉडेस को कैसे प्रे करते थे वो? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्मॉल इमेजेस, ओके, डाइटी, ओके, विग्रह, स्टैच्यू के रूप में तो दे स्टार्टेड प्रेइंग, एंड सिंपली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्टोन और ए ट्री और ए प्लांट. ओके, अब तक भी वो चल रहा, ट्री को प्रे करना, नहीं तो प्लांट को प्रे करना, ओके, नहीं तो एक स्टोन को प्रे करना. ये क्या बोलते, statues praying got started from the early people only. So the early animal herders of the Deccan बोल तो हमारा सेंट्रल इंडिया जगह में, हम भी डेक्कन प्लेटू में ही आते. So this region had left behind the ash mounds. You know what are the ash बोले तो कभी जलाया तो what we call logs को, wood को जलाने के बाद जो मिलती है ना ash. So that ash mounds are found in the excavation, and some archaeologists believe that these may be the remains of seasonal bonfire. Bonfire बोले तो campfire लगाते नहीं, campfire. So it was because of the bonfire rituals, just as the people still do it during the period of Holi and Diwali and Pongal festivals. These kind of ash mounds were created during that period. They believe it. That is what the belief of the archaeologist. Archaeologist बोले तो कौन है जी? The person who reads or studies archaeology, the science of ancient goods and products, or the ancient जो भी goods रहते उसको पढ़ता है and excavations conduct करता है, उसको archaeologist बोलते हैं. उसके हिसाब से जो ash mounds वो discover करे थे, those all were the bonfires which were put by the early human beings as a part of their ritual celebration. And shepherds in India today are known with different names in different countries. A shepherds community जो है, shepherds बोले तो नहीं है, गायों को और sheeps को खाने के लिए लेके जाते, gazing के लिए लेके जाते. In Telangana region we call them as Yadavas or Kurmas we call them, and Gullas we call them. And in Maharashtra उसको धंगर बोल के बुलाते हैं, and in different places they are known with different names. So these people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, they worship the special deities like Mallanna or Birappa, and Renuka Ellamma, Maisamma and Pochamma. In Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, they pray to these different with different names. They pray to the goddess. Birappa they pray, and Mallanna, Maisamma, Renuka Ellamma. So different names they pray. And farmers also rear animals and have close interaction with the herders, farming community, as well as they also do the animal herding. Hence, both of them worship similar gods in the sense same Yellamma, Mallamma and Renuka. These are the goddesses whom do they pray. A common mode of worship is by building small shrines of gods. If you visit any village, you will find small shrines of gods. You will find on the corner of the village. On special occasions are organized in which animals like cock are sacrificed and cooked food. Bonalu, you know it, bonum they submit it, isn't it? In which the cooked food will be there, okay, with jaggery food will be offered to the goddess, and they usually pray for good harvest, okay, अच्छा उगाने के लिए they pray it, and even freedom from the disease. कुछ disease अगर village को attack कर रही है उसके खिलाफ हमारे को बचाओ बोल के प्रे करते थे. And for the welfare of the children also they used to pray. So our people also have been worshipping several trees like people tree, neem tree, okay. इसके पेड़ों के नीचे भी बहुत सारे आप देखते होंगे, okay. You might have seen we even praying to the trees. So we'll see about the religion in the Indus Valley civilization in the next class, children, our early human beings. Thank you, children.